Hello, Clearborough, North Dallas, 2022 Tesla Model Y, full wrap in a matte or a stealth or a satin finish. This product goes on and looks as if it's a matte paint job from like Mercedes, BMW, and those Highline supercar dealers and manufacturers. And there's the gloss paint on the inside. So you see as we transition into the film, it's still a paint protection film. Self-heals, no staining, 10-year guarantee. The XPEL 8mm stealth is what it is. And on the front, we put the gloss for the headlights, and we remove the T's so they go perfect over the film so there's no lines around it. There's no lines on any of this car. Everything with care was wrapped in, everything wrapped in. And I gotta tell you, it's a shame that some people just don't see the value in wrapping an edge. I quite honestly don't understand that, but here's an A-pillar. We get that all the way underneath this molding. Not a problem. All the way inside here to the windshield. All the way up top into that glass, all the way through the molding, all the way through. Our handles, we wrap all those in. There's no problem wrapping those in. Guaranteed. All the doors to the quarter panel, all wrapped in. Coming underneath these wheel shrouds. Those are no problem to take off. They're no problem to get behind them. And there's no way that film's coming out unless intentionally something happened in an accident or high pressure systems. That's the only time you'd ever have an issue. So coming in, wrapping into the trunk, wrapping into the glass. You don't want gloss lines all over the place. This T also was removed and reapplied, so there's no lines around it. Everything's nice and tight around here. Coming around, same as this side. And there's the film, nice and clear, no marks in it. Looks like a professional paint job on the car with a matte finish. And there we go. And that beauty sitting over there is up next. And we finished another 3 over there, and then some other things. So, ClearboroughNorthDallas.com. This is a particular stealth film from XPEL, the manufacturer of paint protection film. The windshield's done with Dynaflex. So the outside has a film on the outside to keep it from cracking and chipping. On the inside is the XPEL XR Plus film for heat rejection. On the inside here and all the way back is another XR Plus product. 30% is what these people chose to keep the heat out of that car. Nothing on the roof on this one. They're gonna wait till summertime to see how the solar glass benefits. But unfortunately, I had one of these and it still was hot. We put some film on it and it did a great job. That's what the film does. It's made specifically for that, but you gotta get ones with good IR rejection. UV is not specific to heat, it's the infrared. So know that. You can go to all the companies online and look at their specifications. It's no secret. So like I tell people when they call me, I'll tell you what I know and then you can go confirm it. It's as simple as that. So there you go, ClearboroughNorthDallas.com. Any questions, 214-414-3809. Have a great day.